Hostinger coupon codes. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get Hostinger coupon codes that are 100% guaranteed to work. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open any browser, search for Hostinger coupon code. Scroll down, find and open this exact website. Tap here to select your country. After selecting your country, scroll down. Here you will find official coupon codes that are 100% guaranteed to work. These codes are given by Hostinger itself, so there is no doubt that these coupon codes will not work. You will also see a timer below each code that will show you for how long the code will be available. So this is how you can find Hostinger coupon codes.